My name is Zina, and I'm living in the capital of Moldova, Chisinau, and I was converted in Islam 1 year and 8 months ago, and it was only my decision. I started to be interested in Islam when I was in the film. Yes, and I like knowledge very much. I like such subjects as philosophy, as psychology, like subjects when you need to think, not only like you learn and don't think at all. And also in Malaysia was studying some guys and Arabian guys, and I was interested in this culture a bit, and my teachers all said, no, why are you talking to them? It is very bad, they will sell you or something like that. Yeah, and I was like, how? It just can't be. And I wasn't Muslim, but like in my character, I like to say, why you say like that? I can't just throw it away, these words, like what they are talking. And it was interesting for me, and I started to think, like, I need to know why they are saying that, because when I was talking to them, I didn't see even a thing like bad or something like that. And after a time, even on the first election, my teacher was converted to Catholic, and I tried. We had such a theme like religion, and I took Islam like a theme, like my theme, and I wasn't Muslim at all, but it was interesting for me, and I started to say like about different rules of Islam and so on. And even after that, he put me down philosophy in all year. Like Islam helped me even I wasn't Muslim. And after that, it was looking for something more, because I got not many information about Islam. It is very hard in our country to know about Islam, because there are many strict rules. For example, we can't build mosques, and we can't even pray in public places and read Quran, and we can go to jail for that. It is very hard in that case. And I didn't know even many people, even Muslims, they don't wear hijabs on the streets because of these rules, and we don't see much Islam in our life in Moldova. And yes, in our country it is very hard to know about Islam, because we have strict rules, and we have our girls don't wear hijabs on the streets because it is forbidden, and they will look very bad on them and so on, and they try like to protect themselves in that case, and don't make some things that Islam say. Maybe not all, but the biggest number, I guess, bigger number of the girls and so on. And we don't have much Islam in our life, and like we don't, if for example when you see a Muslim on the streets, like you got idea why she did this, why that, and you start to asking questions to yourself even through them. And when we don't see Islam, it is very hard to get this idea about Islam. And for example, we have in our country Islamic centers, and even between them we have like something like a war, I can say, because everyone wants to rule, like, and so on. And after that, I got just happen some things that my mom got acquainted with one woman which was Muslim, and she told me that, and she told me that because she knew I like that, and I wanted to know more about this. And after that, I asked my mother to call her, and I want to know. She said me that we have Islamic organizations because they are very close, and we can know about them if somebody will not, like a relative or somebody will ask or about them or something. And after that, I asked my mother to call her, and I asked to come there, and we met with one girl, and she led me to mosque. And after that, I got a complete idea about Islam, and after that I understood that it is mine, and we have a very good imam, and Ibrahim, and he was talking he holds very beautiful lections about Islam, and I say great thanks to him, and that I got converted, and with him it even was faster, I can say. And that's all, I got converted, and after that many things changed in my life, but some things still remain the same. It is very sad, but inshallah in future maybe it will come, it will get better, my Islam, my Iman, and so on. I ask Allah for that, inshallah.
Inshallah.